Do subscribe to MJTube and hit on bell icon for latest videos.
Hello guys, welcome back again. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp is not responding or WhatsApp is not working properly in your Android phone. These are common error, okay? You don't need to be panic. So I will show you the first step. There are 4 steps to fix this problem. First is whenever you get this problem, just close the WhatsApp and reopen it. Sometimes it will fix your problem. If not fixed, first option is go to setting, open the all apps. You can go with the all apps like this, and then find the WhatsApp. Okay, open the WhatsApp and then go to permissions, and here you need to turn on storage. This is a must and should. You need to turn on the storage. After this, try to use your WhatsApp. If you're still facing problem, the second option is open WhatsApp again in your app section, then go to storage. From here, clear the cache and clear the data. So clearing data will need to sign in again, so you need to insert your phone number once again to use the WhatsApp. So clear data and cache. Okay, this is the second method. If you still facing problem, the third option is go to setting and then go to system. If you are using older version, go to your setting and about phone, then tap on 7 times on the build number and you will get this developer option. So open the developer option and go on. So tap on background process limit and set it to no background processors. Check on it. Okay, that's it. This is the third method. If you're still facing problem, the fourth option is go to your Play Store and go to your apps and games, then find your WhatsApp and simply update it. Where is it, man? Okay, here. So just update the WhatsApp. This is the fourth method. And the last is, if you are still facing problem, you need to uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp to work properly. So that's it. I have showed 5 methods to fix this problem for WhatsApp. So thank you for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.